Assalamualaikum, I am Artian the Great, and let me show you how to use this app. So first, of course, you're gonna need to have the homework documents, and they all must be in PDF formats. And let's just upload them all. Okay, now you're gonna need to set the red flag threshold. What is it? What is red flag threshold? Basically, any pair of homeworks that has similarity equals or more than this threshold is gonna be considered red flag. Let's set to 30% and just click this button right here. Okay, let me explain to you what are these, and I'm gonna start with these bar charts right here. But first, let me open the table. This table is basically the same as the bar charts. It's just that the bar charts only represent 12 of it, the top 12. Okay, let me explain to you starting from the left one right here. So these are pairs, okay? It's pairs of homeworks. As you can see, it's Cosmos and Nova, it's Nebula and Stellar, it's Aurora and Pulsar. And this is their similarity, and it's red flag. Why? Because the similarity is higher than the threshold. If you see right here, there's 105 entries, there's 105 rows, because with 15 documents you're gonna have 105 pairs of homeworks, pairs of documents. Okay, it's really simple. Now let's move on to the right one right here. Unlike this one right here on the left, this is individual homework. You can see there's only one document, only one, and the similarity right here is the highest similarity that this document Cosmos has. You can see when I type Cosmos, you can see right here the highest similarity that Cosmos has is 92%. So here it's 92, and you can see what's the similar document right here. The same goes for the rest of them. It's their highest similarity. That's why it says here highest similarity detected. Okay, let's move on to the density chart. These density charts basically the similarity density charts of the table below. Basically kind of like distribution. Okay, so for example, the pair similarity is most likely to be around here. Out of 105 pairs, most of them are around here. And with individual homework similarity density, most of them are around here, around 60%. Okay, now let's move on to this box up here. This median similarity is the median similarity of this thing. That's why you can see right here it's 60. Okay, and this is the total red flag pair, and this is the total red flag homework, individual homework. Now let's move on to pair analysis. Here you can input documents, and you can take a look at the document, and also you can see below here it's gonna say if it is a red flag homework or a green flag homework. And here it is a red flag homework. It has one similar work detected, and here is it, the similar work. Now let's input this similar work into here. Okay, let me explain to you. This is very simple. It's the similarity between these two documents. Okay, as you can see, it's 92% similar. It's really similar. Okay, what about these things right here? Let's start with the left one. This is the unique words of Cosmos. So basically, the words that exist in here that doesn't exist in here. Okay, the same goes for the right one. This is Nova's unique words. So these are words that exist in here and doesn't exist in here, in the left one. And in the middle, these are the intersect words. So basically the words that they both have. And by the way, every word is stemmed into their most base form. As you can see here, it's significant. So it's the base form of significant. And why is it? That is so that the paraphrase documents can get away from the similarity calculation. Okay, now, what is this? What are these right here? Unigrams, bigrams, trigrams. Let me explain. With unigrams, you have per one word. Right here, agriculture, sustain, one word. But if you click bigrams, it's per two words. Okay, as you can see, sustain agriculture, food security, global food, local community, and so on. And what about trigrams? You probably already know. It's 3 words. Alright? And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to use this app. I hope you enjoy this app. I hope you find this app beneficial. And I hope you have an amazing day. Jazakallah khair. See you next time.
El que quiera perder su tiempo, gente de mi perfil. El que quiera perder su tiempo, gente de